Hello, this is Retro Marky back with the PCW, and what we're going to do today is try and get a Gotek working. So this is my Gotek that I've modded with the screen and the rotary dial, which is a simple-ish job. Takes about an hour and well worth it for the £6 or £7 you need. Put the cables in here. So this is a special cable that converts the 34-pin standard floppy cable to the Amstrad's 26-pin, I think it is, the non-standard one. And we've also got a power conversion here because of Amstrad. And they're funny ways with their voltages being swapped around. So, okay, what we're going to do then is get this bad boy up and running, hopefully with a Gotek, and show you some more software. Okay, so I've now taken the machine apart. Here you can hopefully just about see the motherboard, and this is the floppy cable. Here's the keyboard connector, various power connectors that powers to the, gets power from the CRT, power converters in there. What we don't want to do is start putting our hands in there, because apparently there's about 12,000 potential volts in the anode, and that will probably kill me. So got to be a little bit careful. I have to say I can't recommend you doing this, because if something happens to you I don't want to get the blame. Another thing I've spotted, there's 2 banks of RAM in here, so I think I've been really lucky and got a 512K upgrade. And I've just looked at the dip switches and checked the service manual, and they are the right way around, so I think I've been lucky enough to get a 512K model. That's good, because I wanted to upgrade it anyway, but obviously don't need to. Okie dokie. Right, so I got this adapter kit here, and that's bizarre. How has that got power? I'm going to turn that off. The Gotek shouldn't have any power. That must be coming through the floppy cable, which is a bit concerning, because we don't want to do that. We don't want 12 volts going to the Gotek, because it'll blow it up. It'll blow its little balls off. So I'm going to plug this in here. Now what's nice about this little kit that I bought, you can find it on eBay, is he's actually labelled things. That goes to the Gotek. Orange wire connects to blue. That's... As long as no mods have been made, please use the following. Orange connects to blue, black to green. So let's have a looky here. So this is the power. So there's our orange. Orange connects to blue. So that goes that way. So orange would be blue, just check the rest. Black and black is green and yellow, that's correct. And red goes to black. So basically that's just swapping voltages around to get 5 volts to Gotek, not the 12 that the 3-inch drive normally needs in the PCW. Right, so that's all plugged in. Let's fire on. I've put the Gotek as drive B, because I want to use the original floppy drive. So let's put in CPM and see how we are. Okay, so far so good. So yeah, 61K for CPM plus 36A in the virtual drive, so I think I have got the 512 model. This is CPM plus, which loads all of the additional utilities and basic and things like that, so it's a bit slower to boot, but once it gets there you've got everything available in RAM, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I'm not an expert on the PCW, this is my little journey really that we're going on here. So far I'm absolutely loving it. You cannot beat a gorgeous green screen. So That's our drive A. And before I did show this, and I did get this to work now, I can go to like disk kit, and that enables you to copy disks. 2 drives found, please remove disk from drive A. Okay. Right, okay, we'll just exit for that because there's not much to see there. So that's drive A, the built-in one. Can I now go to drive B? Drive not ready. Let's pop in CPM, retry. So Gotek's flashing away as it should do. I need to get a little piezo speaker for that. Track 1 set 0 no data. So I'm not sure why, but it doesn't like. Let's try again just out of interest. Not do anything really, I suppose. You can see the tracks wearing away. Oh, I love the Gotek, it's awesome. Doesn't like that. One more, but I've got a bad feeling about this. So it does recognise we've got a drive B, but maybe it's because they're not CPM discs. I'm not sure. As I said, I'm not an expert on the Amstrad. Okay, I think what I'm going to do then. Oh, I found a new thing. Shift. There we go. You can reboot. Although I need to power off because I'm going to change the jumper on the Gotek, I think, from drive B to drive A, but that's going to clash, so I've got a feeling that's not going to work either. But let's have a try. This is how we learn. No, it's not happy, is it? No. So I think what I might do is just disconnect the floppy drive for now. So the Gotek now should be the main drive. How's that work out for us? Oh, that's ejected. So I think what we need to do is we're going to need CPM, because CPM is the operating system. There we go. Ah, there we go, it's loading. I do miss the drive sound though, I need to get that sorted out. 1 disk drive, so it's like before, so basically we've swapped, I think, the Gotek with this drive. Yeah, looks like it. Well, that's good. So at least I should better show you a game now. Games, I don't know what I'm doing with games, I don't know what's good or not so good. Applejack, what the hell's that? That one's in Spanish. Aftershock, let's try Aftershock maybe. Actually, I've got a feeling that these are, yeah, I'm going to turn off. I think a lot of these games on here have been designed to boot CPM automatically. Yeah, so it's booting its own copy of CPM, which is actually a really good idea. That way you don't have to load CPM and then load a game. You can go straight to it. Change the disk. So disk A, I guess. So I do have a 3D printed bracket, but A, it's in white, so I need to spray it black, and B, it's not with me, it's in my workshop. So maybe that'll be a video for another time, or a very short one, just to show you it. Problem is, I don't want to take that off. I really like this thing. If I can get it out without damaging it, I will. If not, I might just swap it, Gotek, and put it in there and just leave it like that. I'll turn disk. Boom, boom, boom. Put that in. Yay! Your office, gazing out of the window across the shattered city. So this looks like a text adventure. Don't know what the controls are. Help, you don't really need it. Oh, I do. Sit, chair. Is it a 2 command? No. Don't know. Take pen. Okay. Open desk. You can't. We've got an inventory. You're carrying a pen. Okay. Well, that's that. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to show you. Gotek does work pretty well. You can buy a kit for like 80 quid on the interwebs, including all the games and stuff. The way I've done it's cost me, I don't know, 30 maybe a bit more, 40. Cable was about 20 actually, but I do recommend it. No, maybe 45, 50 including the Gotek and the bits and bobs. So if you just want to plug and play, then get the one off the guy on eBay. If not, you could do it the way I did it, buy a cable, buy a Gotek. Definitely more satisfying that way, but oh, and also you need to 3D print a case if you do it yourself, which is probably about a tenner, so actually it's probably better for you just to buy the whole kit, unless you want the joy of putting it all together yourself, which I do recommend. So 2 options. Isn't life wonderful? Okay, I'll leave it there, and might come back with the PCW once I've put the Gotek in, but for now, Retro Marky out.